I'm getting the fuck out of this way. Y'all niggas is crazy. Oh! God damn. You guys are crazy. Oh! Son of a bitch. Motherfucker's tolerant as shit. You guys got fucking gummy arms. Oh! God, Play-Doh. Oh! What? Uh-oh. Oh, broken nuts. Broken nuts. Broken nuts on the ground.
What just cracked?
Nuts.
Balls.
Nuts.
If you broke the screen.
Dude, y'all motherfuckers is crazy. Look at him. He can barely move his arm.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Y'all niggas gonna be crying tomorrow.
Nigga, we buff right here.
Nigga, we strong. Fuck that. Have fun with that shit.
I have cigarettes though. I'm out of breath.
Me too.
Alright, cigarette
Hey,
break.
y'all can take a hit though. Fuck that. I give you props for that. That was good
Thank
shit.
you.
That was good shit. I did not play that game. I already know I don't want to play that shit.
You recording that shit?
Oh,
We're recording that shit!
uh-oh.
Oh, we're drinking his ass.
Cigarettes breaking. Cigarettes breaking.
This is getting deleted.